Want to know how to change your language in KoinMaster? Well, no worries. In this video, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step guide on how I can easily do it. So it's super simple and under a minute, so let's get straight to it. Now first things first, you need to just simply open up your KoinMaster application and you should be right here. Now, we need to head towards the settings. So on the top right side, you should be seeing this menu icon right here, just symbols like that. And here you should be seeing this gear icon, which is the settings, the symbols like that. And now once you've got the settings, here you should be seeing notifications, and right below all of that you should be seeing this language option right here, which would be English by default. So you can just simply like that and you can see all of the languages that are available. So you can just simply change it accordingly. So you can just simply like yes, and it should be changed automatically. So if it does not change, you can just simply restart your game once and it should be good to go. And as you can see right here in my screen as well, once it loads, it should be changed to Spanish. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these similar videos. Have a good day and see you in the next one.